Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up.
What's up, man gang? It's your girl Molly, and I am back with another video. So I am so excited. I've been waiting to get my hands on one of these hair appliances for the longest, okay? And I finally did it. I have the hot air brush. I am so excited to test this, okay? I'm praying to all the hair guys that this gives me the results that I've been seeing that everybody else has, because if I don't, I'm gonna be very upset. Because y'all know, Old Faithful, me and her done been through a couple things. You see, she got some packing tape wrapped around her, and she's missing a couple teeth, but she's still good. I've had this.
A few minutes later. More moments later.
Thank you. I've had this since, honestly, I think middle school. I'm not even joking. My uncle got me this blow dryer. Shout out to my Uncle Hamish. He got me this blow dryer. This thing went with me to college, all throughout high school, after college. Some of my friends done blow dry their hair with this. Like, this thing can tell some stories. So anyways, let's see how this works out, okay? Let's open this up. Oh, so it got instructions. I'm not reading that. I don't want to know. This thing is big. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm so excited. Let's separate my hair real quick. And also, this is kind of like a two-part video, if you will. Because in the other video, I am reviewing the products that I'm using for this, as well as styling it, like doing the actual blowout. But for this video, I'm only reviewing the brush. So if you want to see the final results, then you'll have to go to that video. You feel me? Lowest heat. You have a 1 swiggle, so that's probably like medium heat. And then you have 2 swiggles. So obviously that's the hottest heat. I'm gonna first start out with the 1 swiggle. All right, let's go. We might be on to something. We might be on to something. Okay, first things first. I just realized that my goofy self started with the front section. I have never done that before. I always start in the back. That lets you know that I'm tired. I think it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning at this point. Anyways, I'm gonna keep Old Faithful, but I think I just found my new best friend. Okay? This. And I'm gonna do, just to speed up the process a little bit, I'm gonna put it on the hottest function while I do the rest of my hair, and then I'll be back. I need to clip my ends. Do not pay attention to that. I definitely like this hot brush because my hair still feels soft. It does not feel dry like it would with my Old Faithful blow dryer. And I feel like with that one, if I'm going for a straight look, I will have to follow up with my flat iron, which will add more heat to my hair. And I feel like this is kind of like a one-stop shop. Granted, yeah, my hair can get straighter, but I will be perfectly fine with going out or going about my day with it being like this. Yeah, I like it. So let me finish the other side of my hair and I'll be right back. So the verdict is, I love this. I think this was such a smart idea. Really do. Like, the cord follows you, so you don't have to worry about your cord getting all tangled up. Like, you see the difference? So this one, it moves around, so you don't have to worry about this getting tangled around your arm, or you having to hold your arm a certain way in order to blow dry your hair because of the cord. So I really like that. One thing I am curious about is how I would clean this. Like, obviously I know how to get my hair out of it, right? But like, you use it for a while, there is gonna be some product buildup. With all this being attached together, how am I going to thoroughly and safely clean this without getting water damage, you know? With this one, I can take the comb off along with the packing tape. I could take the comb off and thoroughly clean this, and I don't have to worry about any of this getting wet. And also, if you're like me, please be careful, because this thing does get real hot, and like my hand was moving and my thumb touched, is this titanium? I think it is. Touched this, and yeah, it gets hot, so be careful. But all in all, I love this. I will be using this a lot. I'm so happy that I bought this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.